Alright guys, I'm back again with another video, and there's makeup on my shirt. I was doing my makeup and I was like, oh God. So this is what the package looks like. This is quite bougie, LONGQI. I love this, and this is a bigger because actually it's a wig that's in it. So let's open it together. And in it you have this nice card, human hair wigs, frequently asked questions, and other LONGQI wig wearing beauties. And then I have this cap that I got in it. It's a black cap, so I don't know if I'll be putting that on. But then we have some lashes, then the wig, and the box is empty. Let's put that back there. So this is their Brazilian hair, 22 inches, and I believe this is their body weight. This feels quite hefty for Brazilian hair. Oh, it's a thing that's in it, the stuffing that's in it. So this is what it looks like, the stuffing. Let's get rid of that. Whoa, wow, okay. Alright guys, so I'm just going to cut off the lace off of this, but let's look at this construction. Okay, so it's looking like one of those youth power wigs. So like from here to here is like a free part kind of situation, to go center, off center. Then inside you have some combs, and then at the back here you have the, like, forgive my terminology, the bra strap adjuster. You guys know what I mean, like this there. So this is their body wave. Ooh, look at these curls. These curls are nice and luscious. I have never reviewed a wig from my baby daddy before, from LONGQI. I always get the bundles, make the wigs, then we just move on. Am I too dark? I feel like this stain is pissing somebody off. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the, oh my gosh, what's this called? Cut off the lace. Cut off the lace. Alright. So look, it comes pre-plucked here. So instead of coloring it, you know, like bleaching it and stuff, I'm actually going to take my foundation brush, excuse me, and I'm going to rub it on the lace to kind of give it a bit of color. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more. I'll be using my Juvia's Place foundation. This color is in 210. I'm actually wearing 210 now, but excuse me, I don't know what it is with me and using Juvia's on camera. It's the second time I'm using, no, I lie, but I don't like that you don't have like sufficient lighting to see like how the foundation looks. I feel like this lighting is doing it, it's not doing it any justice, because this foundation is bomb. I do have a review, a full review of the Juvia's Place foundation and concealer. So I'm going ahead and link that below. So have foundation there. So let me see what this looks like without me. I will adjust the bra strap. You guys know what I mean. The bra strap length. I don't cut out the combs. I don't usually do that. I mean, it helps to keep it down, you know. It's just not a preference of mine. I don't go snipping out the combs. Put this on. Ooh. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. Zamar, can you come here please? So this is what it looks like. As I said, I did not pluck it or anything. Oh, I love this hairline. So I can probably just like paste this. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this seems like a no fuss wig. Okay, so let me go ahead and adhere this to my head. Let me get some clips. Can't see well, so I don't have on my a cap, you know, but I would definitely do the ball cap method with this lace wig. Wow, this is nice. I look like Michael Jackson. Don't look at don't look at Michael Jackson. I feel like I look at Michael Jackson. So let me just center this wig. Alright. There we go. And let me just use my Got To Be for Blast Freeze spray. Alright, so my fan is off and I'm already sweating. So let me just... And you guys saw I did not even put on a dome cap or nothing. Alright, you guys, so we just, you know, had it, you know, a little something something. I have not done anything to this hair at all. I can probably straighten it. I can probably, you know, curl it. I can probably, oh, my fingers hurt so bad. But I like it. I like this bed head look. Oh, I like this bed head look. Yo, I love this bed head look. It's so cool. And I can like a nice deep side part. I don't want to do too much talking because I'm getting really hot. But yeah, this is it. I am getting shedding. Just comb that out. The initial shedding, of course. Alright, so let's jump into the rest of this video. So earlier on today on my Instagram, I asked you guys, is this white shirt bothering you? I feel like this shirt is bothering you. Alright, so just turn my shirt into a halter top. So on my Instagram, I asked you guys to guess the due date of Jaleel, and let me just go straight to that poll right now. Okay, so okay, I'm just going to it. Okay, so it says predict Jaleel's due date. Follow me on Instagram and I've seen that, which I'm telling you guys, you need to follow my Instagram. I get all my videos, most of my video ideas from there. My polls, like what I should do next, I ask IG. And you know, they keep your girl straight. I like this nice wave, almost like, I don't know, I like it anyway. So let's see what they have to say. So yeah, okay, here we go. So Miss Gail, okay, so there's more. Okay, good. Alright, so I have the fan on. I could not bear this anymore. So Jaleel's due date, I have two due dates. I have the 30th of June and the 11th of July. Either the 11th or the 12th of July, right? So here we go. So Rude Girl Short said June 12th. June 12th is next week Tuesday. So I'm just like, no, excuse me, next week Wednesday. Yes, Baba. June 15th, that's next week. Asukam, yeah, begin again. June, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. June, Ayana Frederick says June 26th. Brown Slice says June 12th. Only One Emperor said, I was gonna say between June 18th and 20th, but for some reason, July 2 just leap up on me like frog season. So she's saying the 2nd of July. Ideally, I'll tell you guys after. Joanna says June 30th, June 10th, June 26th, July 1st, July 1st, July 1st. July 7th, the week of June 3rd. Somebody said, the week of June 3rd. Okay, okay. June 21st or the 25th. June 28th, July 2nd, June 20th, June 28th, June 25th. Jaleel, somebody says June 30th, June 22nd. Wow, June 23rd. Somebody says 1 week before the due date. Yeah, so somebody says 2 weeks before. 2 weeks before is next week. Somebody said July 14th, June 28th. Somebody said June 24th to 27th. Payday, June 25th. When I'm not sure, suppose I payday and people vex card, them never get what them they supposed to get. And them come take it up on me and Jaleel, up on you. But don't want to girl. June 27th, June 21st, June 27th. Is it what's your IMP? And I'll tell you. I don't know what's an IMP. My blood cleanse. Somebody said 1 month from now. Let me tell you what. It is now June 5th. So 1 month from July 5th. I don't know. June 30th. Oh my God. Somebody says they're probably going to induce you a week before your due date due to the swelling. What do you guys think? Induced because of my swelling? Because it's not getting any better. Like, I sleep with, okay, let me tell you, I sleep with on my bed. There's like a duffel bag with clothes, right? So I sleep with my foot on the duffel bag and there's a pillow on top of it. So I sleep with my feet elevated, and I wake up in the mornings, my feet are still swollen. Not as much as it would be for the rest of the day. For the rest of the day, it gets more and more swollen. But I do wake up with my feet swollen, and as the day progresses, they get more and more swollen. Today, when I woke up, my eyes, and the swelling has not really gone down. It's because I have on makeup. My eyes were like almost swollen shut. I mean, I don't know. Somebody said June 25th. Deja Diary says July 1st or 2nd. Weighing 6 pounds and 17 inches long. Ooh, you extra. Hello. All right. So someone said 2 weeks before, June 16th, June 28th, June 21st, June 21st, June 17th, June 26th, June 15th. No, so June 15th, not the 17th. June 15th, June 15th. 1 week before. Not calling him Ja Natural Living Life, says September 18th. First of all, that person I don't know what I'm talking about. Them not have a clue. Second of all, if you do know what I'm talking about and you do have a clue, then your mother. Pint blank period. Mommy says July 1st. July 1st, July 22nd. Somebody say if it's not the 6th or the 20th, then the 4th of July. Oh, is that the first 4th of July? I think that's the first 4th of July. Excuse me, someone said July 5th, June 22nd, July 7th, July 2nd, sorry. Excuse me, June 19th. June 19th is good. Because let me tell you, so I have next week Tuesday is my checkup at UE, and I'll be 37 weeks. Jonathan goes ahead. So after that, then I go to Dr. Bamber. So I'm being checked up every week. So now I'm at every other week, and then when next week, after that, then I go to weekly checkups. And after this my 37th week, after next week Tuesday, then it was my 38th week the following Tuesday. And I've already had my lashes. My lash appointment is down from Monday coming. Just in case something happen, like would it have stopped that. And then the following Monday, I'm going to be installing my glam locks by Naturally Miss Toya. So yeah, June 21st. Somebody said 2 weeks before. Oh, that's Auntie Simone. She said 2 weeks before. July 1st, June 25th, June 18th, June 15th, July 2nd. You guys, let me say June 25th is so popular. June 25th and June 21st. The 25th and the 21st. Look it, they're so popular. Oh my god, they're so, be careful, Zamar. They are so popular. Let me tell them now. One person said that I might be induced because of the swelling, and let me explain. Let me tell you how I've been feeling in my body. My body. Like, the swelling is very concerning to me. Like, I'm like, you know, sort of a thing. I'm not sure. I know I'm not gonna make it until June 30th, but walking is so hard for me to do. Getting up off the bed is painful. Walking is painful. Taking a shower is tiresome and forgetful. I'm like, damn it, got to wash my ass. It is rough. And I know some of you might think that I'm not enjoying this pregnancy. This pregnancy has just completely, in Jamaica was a lick me for six. Like, I did not expect it to mash me up so much, but it has been. I have pregnancy carpal tunnel. What the hell? I did not know that was a thing. My feet right now are swollen sitting here talking to you. It's just crazy. But either way, I'm grateful that I'm able to get pregnant. I'm grateful for who we have already, Jonathan. He is going to be an amazing big brother. I'm grateful for Jermaine. He's going to be an amazing daddy. He is an amazing daddy. And I just can't wait to meet Jalil and to like hold him. And oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Which is why, and I have a confession. And I know it seems selfish because in my bones I'm like, oh, you're selfish, you know, said everything. But because you guys know, I've been telling you guys, I don't feel pretty in this pregnancy. Moving on. Well, I did in the first and second trimester. I felt sexy. Third trimester, I'm like, no, I'm as big as a wardrobe. I'm not doing well. So I really want to get my glam locks put in and my lashes done and my nails done before Jalil gets here. I don't know if that sounds selfish, but my hair appointment is the 17th of June, and I'm like, bro, just hold off until the 17th of June, you know. I'm going to say if I can push it up. The thing is, I have to get these videos out for you guys, and that's why it's all to the 17th, because I also gave a little confession on Instagram as well, where I have like 15 videos that I have to film, you know, and they're specifically for hair companies who paid, you know, for their products. So I have to do them, and I want to do them before we have Jalil. And as you know, I will be getting my glam locks put in, so I can't have my glam locks and what am I saying? I cannot have in my glam locks and wigs. That's what I want to say. But that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and please be honest with me in the description, in the comment section. Is it selfish? I don't know. I don't think it is, but just let me know. Again, LONGQI Brazilian wavy. Alright, talk to you guys in the next video.